Two central themes that we considered in our design process was waste and water. The first, waste management, is something that is definitely lacking in rural Nepal, as we got to witness firsthand on our trip to Sailung. Trash seems to be everywhere these days, and this is a large problem and one that will not be solved overnight. The first thing that we wanted to do was create a central, localized place for trash to be both collected and sorted. Designating a specific location for waste collection is very important for sustainability, as well as properly managing that waste. Overall, this is a very simple concept. All you need are 3 large containers, one for compost, one for recycling, and one for trash. What goes into the compost? This can be any types of food waste, from leftover rice to corn husks that you never used. What goes into recycling? This could be papers, plastics, glass, metals, things like that. And finally, what goes into trash? These are things that can't be recycled or composted, like chip bags or used toilet paper. We believe that creating a central location for trash allows people to learn how to sort their trash as well as keep litter off the streets. The next step is, what do you do with that trash once it's been collected and sorted? This is a much more complicated problem. While the solution for what to do with this trash was outside the scope of this project, we can offer a couple ideas for future solutions. First, all of the compost can go straight into the biogas digester. As for trash and recycling, currently this would need to be picked up by a truck and brought down the mountain to the nearest waste management center. However, there are lots of possibilities for things you can do to reduce the amount of waste that has to get taken down the mountain. Some actions that you can easily take are reducing the amount of waste that you create and reusing any created waste. There are many interesting ways and innovative ways to reuse a lot of the trash that we throw out every day. One way we found particularly interesting was using plastic bottles and plastic containers and creating housing insulation from them. The second theme we considered was water collection. When we spoke with many of the villagers on our site visit, they mentioned that water could be very hard to find in the winter months. One solution that we've incorporated into our design is a rainwater collection system. We saw this system in many of the houses that Habitat for Humanity has been rebuilding, and it's a really great and easy way to store and collect rainwater. The system consists of PVC pipes that line the gutter, and they act as a funnel for any rainwater that comes off of the roof. They then funnel this rainwater into a large collection tank. This rainwater can be used for many things, like cooking, agriculture, showering, and cleaning. With some basic filtration systems, it can also be used as safe drinking water. Ultimately, we hope our design will serve as a model for this community and other local neighboring villages. We hope that they will invest in proper waste management, commit to clean fuel sources, and hold themselves to a higher standard of cleanliness.